How you doing, folks? Connor Juggler here, Sid Dillon. Here behind me we got the brand new, all redesigned GMC Sierra. This one here is the AT4 edition. It's got the 6.2 V8 with the 10-speed transmission. Another nice thing about this, it has a factory 2-inch lift, 20-inch wheels. Come inside, jet black with Kalahari accent. Kind of got a lot of the Denali features, the navigation, the sunroof. As we step onto the back seat here, we got the heated seats, the rear cubbies behind the seats here, and about 4 inches of extra leg room. Now, as we walk back to the famous 6-way tailgate, got the workbench here, the bed extender, standard tailgate there. Now we got the extender on the bottom here. Hold that down. Now, in case you need to reach something into the back of the bed, you can now get in there a little closer. But of course, with that 2-inch lift on this one here, it's kind of nice to have the step with the handle. Makes it easier getting in and out of. Rated for about 350 pounds, they say. There you have it. Brand new, all redesigned 2019 GMC Sierra AT4 edition.